Hĩndĩ ya woyani wa makurutu a KDF kĩharo-inĩ kĩa William Olentima makaunti-inĩ ya Narok, Kurutu ũmwe nĩ aranyitirwo agĩcukĩrwo mahĩtia ma gũkorwo arĩ na kĩbandĩ gĩa gwĩthondekera. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mĩbango ya woyani gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu Lieutenant David Mwangi augĩte atĩ Kurutu ũyũ nĩ akoretwo na kamenyeri ga kũhũthĩra ibandĩ cia maheni, akiuga ona mwaka mũhĩtũku Kurutu ũyũ no anyitirwo na mahĩtia ta macio. Obithaa ũcio orĩtie makurutu mathiĩ na mbere kwĩyumĩria kwa wĩingĩ hĩndĩ ya woyani ũrĩa ũratabanĩrio mĩena ngũrani ya bũrũri.
We have one candidate who keep on changing his ID card. We have been able to get hold of him. Last year he was here. He was caught. He was handed over to police. And even today when we came, we met the guy. Now he have completely a new ID card with a different ID number. We have taken up that issue with the police, and we are definitely going to follow up the issue so that we are able to understand how is this guy able to procure a new ID card, because he is trying to cheat his way into to KDF. But the good thing is that we have very good intelligence system, and we are able to catch up.